Hello, I'm Johanni.
And I'm Jeanette.
And I'm Chandra.
And we are the Grimbeck family.
We own and operate Cleaning Doctor home and office cleaning services in Dublin South in the county of Wicklow.
For your peace of mind, we are a local and trusted family business who are fully trained and insured. You have absolutely no risk whatsoever with Team Grimbeck, as every job comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Our unique range of services is all about giving you back your precious free time. After all, your weekends weren't meant for housework.
Our services are tailor-made to suit you. All of our cleaning solutions and equipment are industry standard, and even better, everything needed for the job is supplied by us. All you need to think of is returning to a clean home or office.
So right now, check out our website, view our videos and see us in action. Check out our regular, reliable and trustworthy range of services. I know you'll like what you see. Thanks for your time and we look forward to talking to you soon.